Zottman curls. These are a different exercise to throw in. What you're going to do is you're going to do a pronated curl up, twist your wrists out, and then slowly bring the weight back down. That's 1 rep. All right, so with the weight by your sides. What you're going to do, both arms at the same time. Bring the weight up like this, then turn it back out, and then slowly bring the weight back down. And then turn it back, bring it back up, rotate that weight, bring it back down. Up, rotate, down. All right, that's Zottman curls.